Hi guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. And do you want to remove the background of your photo? It's either you're doing a product showcase where you want to change to another different background to make it look more professional, or basically you're having a headshot and you want to remove the background to make it white or grey to make it look professional, or even totally removing the background just for a passport photo. Well, you can now do that without any professional editing tools and can be done within minutes. And you can do it from anywhere. You can access it from anywhere. So what am I talking about? Well, it is with the help of this website right here. So this is the TenderShare PixPretty, and this has been really awesome, especially when I'm doing my thumbnails. Alright, I don't even need a Photoshop to do that. I just need to upload it to PixPretty, and after that it can help me remove the background itself. So yeah, it's pretty awesome, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how this actually works. So this is a very interesting AI photo editor that you guys can use to remove background of any objects, alright, or animals, or yourself, alright, or basically anything that you want the background to be removed. You can use AI to detect the item, object, cars, animals, this and that, and after it will remove it for you, and you can change to any background you want, which is really cool and really awesome. And yeah, like I said, you don't ever need any like Photoshop or any other image editing tool to do that, and you have to pay those for like Photoshop, this and that. But for this, it's completely free, so which is really amazing. Alright, and there's a lot more things that you guys can do, which I'm going to demonstrate to you right now. Alright, so let me just go back up again. Alright, and I have this these two photos. One is me. Alright, this picture I think was taken back when I was in Venice. Alright, and this one was one of like a product, I think it's a Doraemon. Okay, and so I'm gonna just upload myself first. So I just click upload image, and I'm gonna just drag myself inside here. Okay, so yeah, so I'm in, and let's see how easy it is just to get my background removed. Alright, so and you guys can see it's quite a tough image to remove, because and it works quite well. Okay, so I was talking halfway, like, why was this a hard image to remove? Because the background was at night and it was pretty dark as well. So it's pretty hard to remove the person, but with the AI it looks pretty darn good. Look at that. Alright, it's really good. You can change to like any other background image you like. You can change to a landscape. You guys can see you can change to this one. You can change to this on the moon, and you guys can change it to anything you want. You guys can see, or you guys can change to any texture, or you can add your own background photos to it. Alright, or you can just keep it as this just the cutout itself, so you can just add it to anywhere you want it to be. So really easy. So you guys can upload your own background photo. I don't think I got any. Okay, let me see. Do I have any pictures? Right, maybe this one looks nice. Okay, so yeah, so I have uploaded basically this background picture over here. Alright, this background picture right here, you guys can see. Yep, so I basically uploaded this one, and yeah, it looks like I'm in there. So it's really cool. You can upload your own background photo, and you can just do that. Okay, and yeah, like I said, if you like ever need like a passport photo that the background have to be white, you can just choose like some color or gradient. You can just upload a white photo or white background, and you guys can have a really nice background photo. So it's really awesome, and you can just download them. Alright, and bam, it is inside. So you guys can save this image, put it anywhere you want, and look at the quality, look at the cutout. It's pretty good. Look at that. Look at it. Alright, it's pretty good. Look at the cutout. It's really solid. Look at this. Alright, all the all the grains on my sweater, look at that. Alright, all this cut out really well. If I want to do this in Photoshop, it will probably take me a few minutes just to manually do that, probably like 5 to 10 minutes. But with this, just a few seconds, I can get the background completely removed and just me in shot. really awesome. Alright, so let me just show you another one with the Doraemon itself one. So yeah, like I said, so you can do it anywhere you want. It's because it's a web page, so basically you can just use it anywhere you want. Okay, just wait a while, and you should remove the background. Bam! Alright, the background is gone, and it's pretty much it understand what I want it to be removed. Alright, it understand the subject that I want to keep. I mean it's quite cool that the AI knows that I just want to keep this, but they won't like keep this one, this and that, which is really cool. Alright, and now you can add like certain things to it, like if you're doing like product showcase, you guys just put this. Looks really nice. Alright, my Halloween theme one. They have a few preset one. You guys can set yourself which one you like. Alright, I think those are pretty nice, actually, honestly speaking. But it's really nice. Alright, but you guys can of course upload your own favorite photos or pictures inside there, and you know, it will just looks as good as it is. Alright, so you go to this one, and you know, bam, it's done. You guys can see. Alright, it's completely free to do so, and yeah, it is saved to the PC. So then you can go to editor itself, and you guys can like blur background. Alright, you guys can do like certain things to it as well. You guys can edit certain things as well, change background photos as well. And yeah, so you guys have seen how easy it is just to remove the background from the subject itself, and it works extremely well, right? And I'm really surprised by how it turns out to be. And yeah, this can be really time saver, especially if you want to remove like certain background, alright, from like any photos you want. This thing can do it for you, and we can make really professional product photos as well. Alright, and yeah, you guys can do like various like really nice background. You can change your own favorite background, you can upload your own background, and you will look stunning. And the cutting of the edges is extremely good. I'm really surprised by how good the edges turns out to be. It's not fuzzy, it's like sharp and clear, and it really cuts out the part that I want it to cut out. So I think it is one of the most amazing AI background removal tool I've ever seen, and it's free some more. Right? I think it gives you about 5 free downloads per day. So if you guys want more, definitely get like the paid version. But you know, if you just want to do 1 or 2 photos, that's really fine. Then you guys can just do it. I'll link them the first link in the video description down below. You guys can go ahead and try it out and start removing the background from yourself, your subject, or any other objects, cars, or animal. You guys can certainly do that, and it is 100% free for the first 5. So which is really amazing. And this one is especially really useful for my video thumbnails, where I manually cut out myself from Photoshop, and with this I just need to like put it in just a few seconds, removed, and after that I can just export it out. So yeah, it can save me so much time, especially if you are doing YouTube videos. Alright, you want to do thumbnail, I think this can be extremely good. You don't have to do Photoshop anymore. Alright, save the money on that, just use this one. So I think it's really awesome. Alright, so if you guys want to check out this, alright, PixPretty by Tanner, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below, and just start removing the background from your photos right now. Alright, so yeah, that's all for you guys. Find this video really interesting and really helpful. Let me know in the comment section as well. And without further ado, this is 𝖩forcegaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.